Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard not initialized. This common issue can prevent you from accessing your important financial information. We'll walk through a straightforward, easy method to get your software working correctly. You'll learn the key steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem quickly, ensuring your Vanguard application runs without interruption. Let's get started on making your experience seamless. First, let's ensure your system is ready. Check that your operating system meets Vanguard's specified requirements. It's crucial to have all the latest software updates installed, as these often contain important bug fixes. Also, make sure your graphics drivers and other essential components are up to date. An outdated system or missing updates are frequent culprits behind initialization errors, so addressing these first is a vital step. If updates don't resolve it, a clean reinstall is often the best solution. Begin by completely uninstalling the current Vanguard application from your computer. Next, visit the official Vanguard website to download the absolute latest version of the software. Once downloaded, proceed with a fresh installation. This process helps eliminate any corrupted files or incorrect configurations that might be preventing proper initialization, giving you a fresh start. Finally, let's look at your security settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software can mistakenly block Vanguard from initializing. Try temporarily disabling them to see if that resolves the issue. If it does, you'll need to add Vanguard to your security software's exclusion or whitelist. Remember to re-enable your security features immediately after testing to keep your system protected. This step often clears up stubborn initialization problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.